Welcome to Silky Interior. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial living room remodels. Whether you're a fan of exposed brick or the allure of vintage decor, we've got you covered. Let's explore how to transform your space with amazing industrial living room makeover ideas. Picture a cozy industrial living room adorned with exposed brick walls, sleek modern furniture, and accents of rugged metal. It's the perfect blend of raw charm and contemporary style. Imagine a reclaimed wood coffee table nestled in an industrial setting, complemented by iron-framed shelving units displaying your favorite books and decor pieces. Visualize open shelving in your living room, where you can showcase plants, art, and cherished items against a backdrop of neutral-toned walls and industrial textures. Picture a serene space with gray walls, leather furniture, and metal light fixtures casting a warm glow, creating a harmonious industrial ambience. Envision vintage and repurposed treasures adding character to your living room, a weathered factory cart as a coffee table or old metal lockers repurposed as stylish storage. See the soft glow of pendant lights with exposed bulbs illuminating your industrial oasis, highlighting the textures and materials that define this unique style. Picture a luxurious brown leather sofa as the centerpiece of your living room, surrounded by metal and wood accents that balance comfort with industrial edge. Imagine concrete accents like planters and side tables adding a touch of urban sophistication to your living space, enhancing its modern industrial appeal. Visualize industrial-inspired wall art and decor pieces, a striking metal sculpture or vintage signage, that reflect your personal taste and elevate your space. See large, unadorned windows flooding your living room with natural light, accentuating the raw beauty of industrial elements and creating an airy atmosphere. Imagine an eye-catching iron chandelier with Edison bulbs, casting intricate shadows and adding a touch of drama to your industrial chic haven. Picture the seamless integration of modern and vintage furniture, each piece contributing to the overall charm and functionality of your industrial living room. See metal shelves and neutral rugs complementing the rugged textures of your living space, creating a cozy yet sophisticated industrial retreat. Envision a rustic living room with exposed pipes, weathered brick walls, and plush textiles, blending industrial aesthetics with comfort and warmth. Imagine mirrors strategically placed to amplify natural light and visually expand your industrial living room, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere.